Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Desmond Mackenzie or the Minister for Local Government say no more ban no depan funeral. The government say them are going to spend $1 billion this year for hire some teacher for help some of the student them who never did a gonna face-to-face class. The police in New York are look for the smaddy who shot one 26-year-old man from Jamaica in a one donut shop. Jamaica finished 12th place at the World Athletics Indoor Championship, we keep in a Belgrade Sunday. Now for the full tour of them. Desmond Mackenzie or the Minister for Local Government say no more ban no depan funeral. This come after Prime Minister Andrew Holness say all of the rule them under the Disaster Risk Management Act done. Saturday, Mr. Mackenzie say funeral can keep every day and no limit no day. The government said them are going to spend $1 billion this year for hire some teacher for help the student them who never did a gonna face-to-face class. This is go on through the Ministry for Education Extra Lesson Program. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said this last Thursday when him did a talk in the budget debate. Mr. Holness said since them start the program, 2,100 students register for online learning from it, while 11,926 students register and do face-to-face extra lesson. The police in New York are look for somebody who shot one 26-year-old man from Jamaica in a one donut shop. The man a Stephen Stewart and him did turn up in the line at Dunkin' Donut in a Bronx when one woman said him turn up too close to her. The police said the woman called her boyfriend who followed Mr. Stewart and shot him. The Trelawney police said 3 people dead after one 2-vehicle accident going in at the parish Friday. The dead people them are 21-year-old Lexi and Williams who come from one Chalky Hill St. Anne address, 25-year-old Kemar Smith who come from Hyde in a Clarkstown Trelawney, and 31-year-old Chris Codner who come from Exchange in a St. Anne. Friday evening accident make 102 smaddy dead in a road accident from the year start. Carlos Russell, or the head of the Trelawney police, say a speeding and fear overtake the wrong way caused the accident. The police lock up 2 men Friday after them find one gun right at Percy Street and Oxford Street in a Kingston. According to the report from the Denantown police, around 12:40, one team did the pan patrol when them ear shot a bus. The police said them catch 2 men pan one bike who did a try getaway. When them search the man them find one Mach 11 9mm pistol and one magazine were having 13 cartridge. The police not put out the man them name yet cause them are looking at things some more. Now for sports. Jamaica finished 12th place at the World Athletics Indoor Championship we're keeping a Belgrade Sunday. The 16-member team win 3 medals, 1 gold and 2 bronze. Jamaica win gold in the 4x400 meter relay in a one season best at 3 minutes 40 seconds. Juniel Brumfield, Janive Russell, Ronisha McGregor and Stephanie McPherson did depend the team. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.